In the world of architectural real estate, some homes have a pedigree, and then there is Harkaway Farm. The longtime Greenwich estate of the legendary Mary Tyler Moore recently changed hands for $16.5 million, offering a rare glimpse into a residence that manages to be both a stately Georgian Colonial and a cozy, livable Grandeur. The approach is pure cinema. A meandering drive carries you over a stone bridge and a bubbling stream toward an 11,000 square foot stone manor. While the facade remains a testament to classic craftsmanship, the interiors have been meticulously transformed for a modern lifestyle. Inside, the architecture celebrates the long view. A front-to-back entry hall sets an airy tone, but the real showstopper is the library. Wrapped in rare East Indian laurel wood, it offers the kind of rich, tactile warmth that makes you want to sit down and finally write that memoir. The lifestyle at Harkaway is designed for someone who takes relaxation as seriously as a career. For those who prefer light to shadows, the extraordinary circular solarium provides a panoramic stage to watch the seasons change over Oakley Pond. The primary suite features dual baths and dressing rooms, the ultimate secret to a happy marriage. And the upper floor even includes a dedicated gift wrapping room. Because, let's be honest, when you live in a house this beautiful, your Scotch tape deserves its own zip code. In the summer, the action shifts to the 65-foot heated pool and the Janice Parker landscaped gardens. Buffered by 5 acres of protected conservation land, it's a serene, private enclave where the only paparazzi you'll encounter are the local herons. At Harkaway, the tossed salad and scrambled eggs lifestyle is replaced by tranquility, East Indian laurel, and perhaps a very well-wrapped gift.